Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to dance with a ferret in Harttopia. So, did you know that in Harttopia you can interact with wild animals around the map? And one of the cutest interactions is dancing together with a ferret. And first, you need to unlock pawn level, pawn level 5 like this with your ferret, and the dance actions one available before reaching this level. Like this, you can see it. In here, you can unlock the animal interactions, dance together like this. And to increase your bond level faster, make sure to feed your ferret every day. And its favorite foods are egg, and then sea bass, and then the goby. So just give the ferret food like this, and then just feed it. And then after that, just interact with the ferrets that close to you like this, and then next just type the dancing icon, this one, and just like that your character will immediately start dancing together with the ferret like this. It's super cute animations. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.